welcome boys and girls. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make the classic peanut butter and jelly sandwich with a twist. This twist is special. I'm going to cut up bananas in it. This is how we're going to do it. We have our ingredients. We have our peanut butter. I like to use the natural Skippy because it's a little more healthier than your average peanut butter. Then I have our jelly. I personally love strawberry jelly, but you can use grape jelly, you can use orange jelly, whatever you prefer. I also have our whole wheat bread. Whole wheat bread's a little more healthier than your average white bread. Because you know, Miss Liantonio loves to be healthy. Then for our twist, I have our banana. So delicious. So this is how we're going to start. We have a knife for each thing. We have a knife for our peanut butter, a knife for our jelly, and we have a knife to cut our banana. Let's start. First, I'm going to get my piece of bread, 2 pieces. Now, boys and girls, we need to stay very neat because peanut butter and jelly can get very messy. So first, I'd like to start with our peanut butter. I love peanut butter. It's delicious. It's a great source of protein and keeps you full. So, we're going to take a scoop like this on your knife, and then we're going to just spread it on to our bread. Nice and smooth. Don't be stingy. Do a lot, because you want to keep your bellies full. So boys and girls, I'm now spreading the peanut butter all over my sandwich. See how nice and neat, boys and girls? Now what we're going to do is I'm going to stick my knife back into the peanut butter so I know that's the peanut butter knife and I know how to clean it. Now for the fun part is the jelly. So now what I'm going to do is use my strawberry jelly and spread it onto my slice of bread. If you notice, boys and girls, I'm using the other piece of bread and I'm not putting it over my peanut butter. It's so funny. When I was a child, I always loved peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. And as an adult now, I still love them and eat them all the time. It's one of my favorite sandwiches, and I can't get enough of it. Now be careful, boys and girls, when you're spreading this jelly. It can get very messy and very sticky on your hands. Get nice scoops of it. Boys and girls, if you notice, some jellies come with a squirt bottle. And you can actually just squirt the bottle onto your bread. But I find it fun spreading it with a knife. Boys and girls, just make sure you're using a butter knife. You don't want to use a steak knife because that'll totally ruin your sandwich. So, now I'm putting my knife back into my jelly. And look how nice I have it. So here's my jelly, spread nice and even. And now, boys and girls, here's the fun part. I'm going to put my peanut butter back on, and we're going to cut our banana. Boys and girls, this makes the sandwich, the banana. Most people just eat peanut butter and jelly, but I like it with the twist. So I'm peeling my banana. I'm going to take my clean knife, and boys and girls, I'm just going to cut it onto my peanut butter. I like to cut in rows, keep it nice and even, so each bite gets a piece of banana. Notice, boys and girls, I'm cutting it on the peanut butter. If you cut it on the jelly, it'll be spread all over and not neat, and it wouldn't stick. So let's go nice rows. Don't cut your bananas too big. Nice and even. Now for the fun part. So you're going to take your jelly sandwich side. You're going to put it right over your peanut butter. Now, boys and girls, this is all your preference. I personally love the diagonal slice, but most people love right down the middle. I'm going to go with the diagonal because I feel it visually looks bigger. So I'm going to cut it corner to corner. So I have nice two halves. And then we're going to take a bite and eat it. Mmm. Mmm. And that, boys and girls, is how you make the classic peanut butter and jelly sandwich with a twist of banana.